Hello students, today we will do some important questions which are problems based on plane and line. So in this case, the first question is from NCERT miscellaneous exercise, question number 10. Find the point where the line through these 2 points crosses YZ plane. So first of all in this question, we will find the equation of the line passing through 2 points. So first step is equation of the line through the points 516 and 341 is apply the two-point form of the line, that is x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to z minus z1. This is x1 y1 z1 divided by x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and z2 minus z1. So the equation of line is x minus 5 over minus 2, y minus 1 by 3 and z minus 6 over minus 5. Now this line crosses YZ plane. Suppose that this board is a YZ plane and our line is passing through the plane. So we have to find that point from which the line is passing. Means suppose this is YZ plane and line is passing just like this. We have to find the coordinates of this point. Means one point is common between line and plane. For that, find any point on this line is, we have already find in the straight lines. Let us take this is equal to lambda. So the value of x from here is equate this and this. So x is minus 2 lambda plus 5. Similarly y is 3 lambda plus 1 and z is minus 5 lambda plus 6. This is any point on this line. If this point lies on the plane, if this point lies on YZ plane, and we know that in YZ plane coefficient x variable is 0. So put this term is equal to 0. So minus 2 lambda plus 5 is equal to 0. So the value of lambda is 5 by 2. Now put this value of lambda in the coordinates of the point. So the next step, therefore point is, put the value of lambda here, minus 2 lambda. First coefficient is 0 because we have put x is equal to 0. So this is 0. 15 by 2 plus 1 minus 25 by 2 plus 6. So the coordinates are 0, 17 by 2 and minus 13 by 2. So this is the answer. That line is passing through the YZ plane and intersect at this point. Similarly, you can do question number 11 and 12 of this exercise. If in place of YZ plane there is ZX plane, then you have to put y equal to 0. And if there is XY plane, then we have to put z is equal to 0. So in this way, you can do question number 11 and 12 also. Question number 12 from miscellaneous exercise. Find the point where the line through these 2 points crosses the given plane. This is a given plane. If there was XY plane, then put z equal to 0. If there is YZ plane, put x equal to 0. And if there is XZ plane, then put y equal to 0. But if the plane is other than these coordinate planes, something like this, then first of all find the equation of line, apply a two-point form. Then find any point on this line. Any point is, again put lambda, then point is minus lambda plus 3, lambda minus 4 and 6 lambda minus 5. Now put this point in this plane. This point lies on plane number 1. Therefore, in place of x put minus lambda plus 3 plus y lambda minus 4 plus z 6 lambda minus 5 is equal to 7. Minus 2 lambda and plus 7. So there is 5 lambda. 6 minus 4 minus 5 is equal to 7. So 5 lambda is equal to 6 minus 9 is minus 3 and 10. So the value of lambda is 2. So now by putting the value of lambda in this point, we can find the coordinates of the point, which are, put lambda is equal to 2. So there is 1, 2 minus 4 is minus 2 and 12 minus 5 is 7. So this is the required point. Now question number 14 from miscellaneous exercise. Equation of one plane is given. Let us take this number 1 equation and first of all convert this plane into the Cartesian form, and which is equal to 3x plus 4y minus 12z plus 13 equal to 0. And let us take number 1 equation. Now given is distance of these 2 points from this plane are equal. Then we have to find the value of P. Points are equidistant from this plane. So let us take points are, let the points are A, 1, 1, P and B minus 3, 0, 1. Distance of plane 1 from A and B are equal. Distances of plane 1 from A and B are equal. So apply the distance formula. Put this point in this equation. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 1 plus minus 12p plus 13 mod divided by the coefficient of x square 9 plus y square 16 plus z square 144 under root. And this is equal to distance of this plane from this point also. 3 into minus 3 plus 4 into 0 minus 12 into 1 plus 13 mod divided by, again there is 9 plus 16 plus 144 under root, which will get cancelled out by this. So there is 3 plus 4 7, 7 plus 13 is 20. 20 minus 12p mod is equal to minus 9 minus 12, that is minus 21, minus 21 plus 13, it is 8, and mod of 8 is positive 8. So now there are two cases. First is 20 minus 12p is equal to plus 8, and second case 20 minus 12p is equal to minus 8. Minus 12p is equal to minus 12, so the value of p is 1. And from the second case, minus 12p is equal to minus 28. So the value of p is 7 by 3. So these are the two values of P. Now that is very important question number 18 from miscellaneous exercise. Find the distance of the point from the point of intersection of the line and the plane. Means there is a plane which is given and there is a line which is passing through this plane. First of all, we have to find the coordinates of this point where the line meets the plane and distance of this point from the given point. This is a required question. So how to find the point of intersection of the line and the plane? This is a very important thing. First of all, convert these lines and plane into the Cartesian form. So equation of line is, in the Cartesian form, there is point 2 minus 1 2 on the line. So x minus 2, y plus 1 and z minus 2 divided by direction numbers are 3, 4, 2. 3, 4 and 2. And equation of plane is, in the Cartesian form, x minus y plus z is equal to 5. Let us take number 2 equation, this is number 1 equation. We have to find the point of intersection of line and the plane. So concept is again same as in the previous question. Take any point on the line. Line number 1 is, if we put is equal to lambda, then any point is 3 lambda plus 2, 4 lambda minus 1 and 2 lambda plus 2. This point lies on the plane. It lies on plane number 2. Therefore, x means 3 lambda plus 2 minus y means 4 lambda minus 1 plus z, 2 lambda plus 2 is equal to 5. So now solve it. 3 plus 2 5 minus 4 is 1 lambda. 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5. So the value of lambda is 0. So by putting this value of lambda in this, we can find the point. Therefore point is, put lambda 0, 2, minus 1 and 2. So this is the point of intersection of line and plane. So this is a method in which we can find the point of intersection of line and plane. Now we have to find the distance between this point and the point 2 minus 1 2. So therefore distance between minus 1 minus 5 minus 10 and the point of intersection is 2 minus 1 2 is, apply the distance formula between 2 points, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square, 2 plus 1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So there is 9 plus 16 plus 144 and which is equal to 169 under root, and that is 13. So this is very important question. Now you can solve one question based on this previous question. Find the distance between the point 2, 12, 5 and from the point of intersection of this line and the plane. So repeat the question as in the previous one, and again answer will be 13 units. So you can try this. Next is question number 19, which is very important question from the miscellaneous exercise. Find the equation of the line. We have to find the equation of line. This is very important. Through this point and parallel to these two planes. So in the solution, first of all, write the equation of plane in the Cartesian form. X minus y plus 2z is equal to 5, number 1 equation, and second one is 3x plus y plus z is equal to 6. Let us take number 2 equation. We know we required a point and direction number of the line for finding the equation of line. But in this case, direction numbers of line are missing. So first of all, equation of the line through 1, 2, 3 is x minus 1 by a is equal to y minus 2 by b, z minus 3 by c. And let us take number 3 equation, where a, b, c are direction numbers of the line. Now this line number 3 is parallel to plane 1 and plane 2, which is given. Now any line which is parallel to the plane, let us take this as a plane. Our line is parallel to this plane. So the normal of the plane is perpendicular to the line. Now line number 3 is parallel to 1 and 2 plane. Therefore we will take the product of the direction numbers as 0. Direction number of line are ABC and normal to the plane are 1, minus 1, 2. So take the product A minus B plus 2C equal to 0. And let us take number 4 equation. Similarly, second is 3A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Again it is equation number 5. Now we have to solve these two equations by cross multiplication method. So this will be is equal to A over is equal to B over. We have already used this method in the previous videos also. So first of all, 2, 3, 1, 2. Coefficient of second term are minus 1, 1. Third term 2, 1. First term is 1 and 3. Again second term there is minus 1 and 1. So in the first, put minus 1, minus 2. Second is 6 minus 1, and last factor is 1 plus 3. So that is equal to A over minus 3, B over 5 and C over 4. And let us take this is equal to K. So find the values of A, B and C from here. Therefore A is equal to put this factor is equal to k, so A is equal to minus 3k, B is equal to 5k, and C is equal to 4k. Therefore, from number 3, equation of the line is x minus 1 divided by what is A? Minus 3k. Y minus 2 by B is 5k. Z minus 3 by 4k. So take k common. So the equation of the line is x minus 1 over minus 3, y minus 2 by 5, and z minus 3 by 4, which is the required equation of the line. Now there is 21st question, which is again very important question from miscellaneous exercise. Prove that if a plane has intercepts ABC and is at a distance of small p units from the origin, then prove that this thing holds. So this is the plane which cuts intercepts ABC on the axis. We know that equation of the plane having intercepts ABC on the axis is apply the intercept form x over a plus y over b plus z over c is equal to 1. Shift 1 to the left hand side because we have to find the distance. Now distance of plane 1 from origin, it is equal to p. Apply the distance formula, put this point in this equation. So 0 plus 0 minus 1 mod divided by coefficient of x is 1 over a, and this square is 1 over a square. Similarly, coefficient of y square is 1 by b square plus 1 by c square under root is equal to p. So now mod of minus 1, it is 1 divided by under root of 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 by c square is equal to p. And we have to prove this thing. So after this, squaring and taking reciprocal, so we will find the required answer, that will be 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 by c square is equal to reciprocal and squaring it is equal to 1 by p square. So which is the required answer? Now let us consider a question which is very important concept. Find the equation of the plane passing through the 2 points and parallel to this line. So there is one plane in which there are 2 points which are given and which is parallel to the given line. We know that there is 1 point form of the plane and there is 3 point form of the plane, but there is no 2 point form of the plane. So first of all, use any point. Equation of the plane through, let us take first point, minus 1 to 0 is, we need direction numbers of normal to plane and the point, but there is only one point. So apply this type, a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0, where a, b, c are direction numbers of normal to plane. And let us take this as number 1 equation. Now this plane is passing through this point also. Number 1 is passing through 2 to minus 1. So therefore put x is equal to 2. A into 3 plus b into y2 c into minus 1 minus 0 equal to 0. So there is one equation, 3a plus 0b minus equal to 0. Let us take number 2 equation. Now the second condition, this plane is parallel to this line. Plane is parallel to one line. So the normal of the plane is perpendicular to the line. Plane number 1 is parallel to the given line. Therefore, product of the direction numbers is 0. Direction numbers of this line are, from here this is 2. Direction number of line is 2, but this is not 2. Take 2 common first of all. Then 2 will cancel out. So there will be 1 and this is minus 1. Direction of the lines are, of the line is 2 minus 1, 1. 2, 1 minus 1. And that of plane are A, B, C. Therefore 2A plus B minus c equal to 0. And let us take number 3 question. Now again we can solve these two with the help of cross multiplication method, and after solving put the values of a, b, c here, then you can find the equation of the plane. Now let us consider one more question, which is again very important concept. Find the equation of the plane containing the line and the point. Let us take this is the plane which contains one line, and there is one point 060 on this plane, and you can see that this point, it does not lie on this line. Point on the line is -2, -3, 4. So there is one point -2, -3 and 4, which is indirectly lies in the plane also. So there is again the concept of the previous question. There are 2 points on the plane. So use any point equation of the plane through, let us take this point is -2, -3 and 4 is a into x minus x1 plus b into y minus y1 plus c into z minus z1 equal to 0. Let us take number 1 equation, where a, b, c are direction numbers of normal to plane. Now again point 060 lies on this plane. 060 lies on number 1. Therefore a into 0 plus 2 plus b into 6 plus 3 plus c into 0 minus 4 equal to 0. So the equation is 2a plus 9b minus 4c equal to 0. Number 2 equation. Now normal of the plane is perpendicular to every line on the plane. So there is a line which is in the plane, so there is a normal which will be perpendicular to this line. Also means product of the direction numbers is 0. Direction number of line are 2, 3, minus 2, and our normal to plane are a, b, c. So take the product 2a plus 3b minus 2c equal to 0, and let us take number 3 equation. Now again you can solve these two equations proportionally cross multiplication method and replace the values of a, b, c here and find the equation of the plane. Now there is very important question. Find the length of the perpendicular and foot of the perpendicular from this point to this plane. Also find the image. Let us take this is a plane which is given, and there is one point. Let us take point is P, 1, 3 by 2 and 2. So first of all draw a perpendicular on the plane, and we have to find the foot of this perpendicular and also the length of the perpendicular and also the image of the point in this plane. We have already done this type of question in the line also. Now let the point is P, 1, 3 by 2 and 2. Then draw PM perpendicular to plane. Now first of all we have to write the equation of this line. Equation of line PM is, for line we require direction number and the point. So there is point x minus x1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to z minus z1. And what are the direction numbers? This line is normal to the plane. So the direction number of normal to plane are 2, minus 2, 4. So we will take those direction numbers 2, minus 2, 4, because this is also normal and direction number of normals are 2, minus 2, 4. So this is the equation of the line PM. Now take any point on PM. Any point on PM is put is equal to lambda and find any point. 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 3 by 2 and 4 lambda plus 2. Now this point lies on the plane. It lies on plane. If put this point in this plane, 2 into 2 lambda plus 1 minus 2 into minus 2 lambda plus 3 by 2 plus 4 into 4 lambda plus 2 plus 5 equal to 0. So now solve it. There is 4 lambda plus 2 plus 4 lambda minus 3, 16 lambda plus 8 plus 5 equal to 0. 4 plus 4 8, 16 plus 8 is 24 lambda, and constant terms are 2 minus 3 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 13, that is 12. So the value of lambda is minus 1 by 2. Put this value of lambda in the point. Therefore the coordinates of the point are, or you can say that therefore point is, put the value of lambda here, 2 into minus 1 by 2 plus 1, minus 2 into value of lambda is minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, 4 into minus 1 by 2 plus 2. So the point is, there is 0, and this is minus 2 plus 3, that is 1 by 2, and last value is again 0. So this is the foot of the perpendicular. Therefore foot of perpendicular is 0, 1 by 2, 0. And now length of perpendicular, which is equal to PM. So apply the distance formula between these 2 points. 1 minus 0 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square under root. So this is equal to 1 plus 3 minus 1 is 2, and it is again 1 plus 4, and that value is under root 6. Now we need only the image of the point. For that, first of all, produce PM to P dash, and let the image is alpha, beta, gamma. Let image of P is P dash, alpha, beta, gamma. Now M is the midpoint of PP dash. Now M is the midpoint of PP dash. Therefore apply midpoint formula. Coordinates of M are, midpoint formula is alpha plus 1 by 2, beta plus 3 by 2 over 2, and gamma plus 2 by 2. So this is the midpoint, means coordinates of point M. But coordinates of point M are this, we have already found. So compare these two. Put first value alpha plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Beta plus 3 by 2 over 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Gamma plus 2 by 2 is equal to 0. So after solving, value of alpha is minus 1, and value of beta is 2 will cancel out, and 1 minus 2 by 3 is minus 1 by 2, and value of gamma is minus 2. Therefore image is minus 1 by 2 minus 2. So this is the image of the point P, and this question is very important question.